Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about. If you're a MacBook Air user or simply looking for the best portable printer in the market, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the Jadens wireless portable printer, and trust me, this one's a game changer. This printer has taken portability and convenience to a whole new level. Let's explore what makes it the best choice for MacBook Air users. First up, let's talk about the key features that set this printer apart. Measuring just a few inches, this printer is incredibly compact. It can easily fit in your bag, making it the perfect travel companion for MacBook Air users. With Bluetooth technology, you can effortlessly connect your MacBook Air to this printer. No more dealing with messy cables or complicated setups. The Jadens portable printer uses advanced thermal technology. Say goodbye to expensive ink cartridges and messy refills. It requires no ink, toner, or ribbon. This means lower printing costs, perfect for students and professionals. Despite its small size, this printer delivers impressive print quality. Your documents will come out sharp and clear, whether it's text, images, or even shipping labels. With two built-in 2600 mAh batteries, you can print up to 360 sheets on a single charge. That's 3 hours of continuous printing, perfect for business trips or study sessions. Now, let's discuss how easy it is to set up and its compatibility. The Jadens portable printer is a breeze to set up. Whether you're using a MacBook Air or a smartphone, you can be up and running within minutes. It's not just for MacBook Air users. This printer works seamlessly with both iOS and Android devices. Simply download the app, and you're good to go. Surprisingly, it's not limited to mobile devices. You can also connect it to your laptop or computer via USB. It's versatile for all your printing needs. Now, let's talk about cost efficiency, a crucial factor for any printer. Each thermal paper roll costs only 7 cents. This means significant savings over time. You won't break the bank on consumables. Whether you're printing assignments, office documents, or study materials, this printer covers it all. It's perfect for home, small office, or school use. And lastly, let's not forget about its adjustable paper sizes and excellent support. The Jadens portable printer supports paper sizes ranging from 2.24 to 8.26 inches. It's adaptable for various printing needs. Jadens provides a lifetime tech support via phone and email. If you encounter any issues, their team is there to assist you promptly. So, to sum it up, the Jadens wireless portable printer is a game changer for MacBook Air users and anyone in need of a reliable, compact printer. Its small size and wireless connectivity make it the perfect companion for MacBook Air users on the go. Say goodbye to expensive ink and toner costs. This printer offers affordable thermal printing. Don't let its size fool you. It delivers crystal clear prints. Whether you're a student, professional, or just need a printer at home, this one has you covered. That's all for today's product critique. If you're interested in this fantastic portable printer, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.